Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about a very worrying trend I notice. A whole heap of Uncle Sam 87 them seem to have the impression say, when time them get wanted, when time them commit them murders, the best place for them head to is Harriman. Now, I know say Jamaica do a lot of tourism advertisements and always I say visit Jamaica, visit Jamaica. I don't think it applies to 87s. I don't think when time them say visit Jamaica, they mean wanted man. We could talk about it. A youth by the name of Ranje Reynolds, 24 years old, was arrested in Kingston, Jamaica. He is wanted in Washington, D.C., Uncle Sam place, for murdering a 27-year-old man by the name of Tariq Booth.
But in the meantime, we're learning more about the 27-year-old man D.C. police say was shot and killed in Georgetown last night. Tariq Booth was an aspiring chef. He once worked just a few blocks away from where he was killed. Police call it a targeted attack.
He was shot last night around 6 p.m. on M Street and 33rd, right in the middle of the shopping district in front of a popular D.C. spot, Georgetown Cupcakes. Delia Gonsalves is live on the scene now. And Delia, I imagine the community is still shaken and scared.
Just steps away from some of the busiest tourist attractions in town and just blocks from Georgetown's campus, a brazen shooting and an armed suspect on the run.
It was definitely a scary evening. Like everyone I talked to, no one was able to get any studying done at all because we were all just really worried, and everyone was texting each other are you safe, are you indoors.
WUSA 9 has learned that the victim, 27-year-old Tariq Booth of Alexandria, was familiar with Georgetown, working as a line cook at the 1789 restaurant 3 years ago. Monday evening, as police began investigating his killing, social media and group chats started buzzing about the shooting.
After the shooting gone, they can't find him. Now, it wasn't really hard to put the case together because people see him on the man, have them confrontation, maybe spend time and kill him, and then them even go back and find video footage, CCTV and all them things there. But them couldn't locate him. 7 months later, he was captured in Harriman. He was captured by a team known as JFAT. In case you don't know, that is a unit of JCF. Just like how you have MOCA, you have CTOC, well you also have JFAT. JFAT is the Joint Fugitive Apprehension Team. Joint because they work directly with Uncle Sam. US Marshals and them work together to capture American criminals who run from America and a hideout in Jamaica. That happens because, as big and bad as them be, Uncle Sam don't have any jurisdiction in Jamaica where them cannot grow and lock up people. Right? So them have to work with JCF, and that is the reason why JFAT exists. The arresting part have to be done by Jamaican officers. They're not supposed to be doing arrest. No, I say supposed to because me know say that all depends on just so bad Uncle Sam wants somebody. History have shown many times when Uncle Sam really wants somebody, then the business boy and your jurisdiction and your rules them. Them name your food anyway. You better ask the Iranian general where them take out ready. Remember him? Fortunately, most of these people who America look for are like 87s. So we're not talking about the leader of ISIS or the leader of Al Qaeda or nothing like that. Right? These are not, high-level mujahideen, because in that instance, they might be less willing to work with your rules. We have seen this too often now. JFAT are lock up too much man from Uncle Sam place. The whole of them seem to have the impression say, run got Irie man, drink a coconut, and get away from the case. Hear the thing? The last thing Jamaica needs is more 87s. Especially Uncle Sam 87s. Them wild a different way. Our 87 them wild in the but for them 87s, different level of wild. If them only for American 87s start lick head with our local 87s, a hell and powder house. Notice that even time Jamaican gunman left and go foreign and start par with the foreigner them for a while, when time them get deported and touch back at Jamaica, them even more dangerous than before them left. Because them pick up some new style, them pick up some new strategies. So while it's a good thing that Uncle Sam a clean up their mess, because I feel them mess and I feel them business, we have to wonder how much more that Jamaica and how much more come from other countries that don't have the time, motivation or resources to establish a JFAT. When I think to some of the countries them in Latin America, rest of the Caribbean, even Europe, when I think say, them a run back after them 87, them a say good riddance. Them probably you say, we have some intel is in Jamaica and them say, are the best place we can go. Make him go there so, go out to the murder rate. I probably say them a look on it. We don't know for sure how many other wanted man in Jamaica, how much foreigners in Jamaica are killed, we don't know that. But we know say, wanted man that get catch. So that means it is plausible that there are many others. Because these are those who are get catch. Now speaking about Billy Joe, recently a tour bus operator lose his life as he was transporting two tourists. The tourists them at the back of the vehicle and them obviously him drive the bus. And the man him ride up on him motorcycle, shoot him and kill him. But even though in this instance the tourists were unharmed, this is dangerously close to the golden goose. 87s them are getting more and more reckless. Because we know say, any day them start make them rounds they catch, the golden goose would have to see who a bad man and who isn't. So, when we go and play stupid games, when we go and win stupid prizes, sure we know someone can shoot up the whole of and shoot up the whole of Mobile. Enjoy yourself, Iron Man. Build reputation as big bad man with 15 duppy on your name. 15 local duppy. So make us see what come out of it because that is still not a good look. Because after them shoot the driver, the bus end up going lick up. They never travel on a whole heap of high speed, so probably that's why they never broke up certain way. It's a very close call. Make us see it turn out now. Things might get really interesting. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Politricks squad, stay circling. Bless.